Oppo F17 Pro Summary. Oppo F17 Pro smartphone was launched on September 2, 2020. The phone comes with a 6.43-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. Oppo F17 Pro is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio P95 processor. It comes with 8 GB of RAM. The Oppo F17 Pro runs Android 10 and is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. The Oppo F17 Pro supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo F17 Pro on the rear packs a 48-megapixel primary camera with an f/1.8 aperture, a second 8-megapixel camera with an f/2.2 aperture, a third 2-megapixel camera with an f/2.4 aperture and a fourth 2-megapixel camera with an f/2.4 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. On the front, the Oppo F17 Pro packs a 16-megapixel primary camera with an f/2.4 aperture and a second 2-megapixel camera with an f/2.4 aperture. The Oppo F17 Pro runs ColorOS 7.2 based on Android 10 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded via microSD card with a dedicated slot. The Oppo F17 Pro is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM smartphone that accepts Nano SIM and Nano SIM cards. The Oppo F17 Pro measures 160.10 x 73.80 x 7.48 mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 164.00 grams. It was launched in matte black, magic blue, and metallic white colors. Connectivity options on the Oppo F17 Pro include Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG-NAC, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, USB Type-C, 3 grams, and 4 grams with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, magnetometer, proximity sensor, and a display fingerprint sensor. The Oppo F17 Pro supports Face Unlock. As of September 7, 2020, Oppo F17 Pro price in India starts at Rs 22,990.
That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such type of videos. Thank you.